Hello, this is Dr. Leo at LeTime. Today, I want to talk about the best hydrosols for house clearing and spiritual lift up. So before I go to the detail about the four my favorite hydrosols for the house clearing, and I want to give you a little explanation about what is hydrosol. If you have been in my channel for a long time, you probably already very familiar with what hydrosol is. But there are still some new friends. Hydrosol is herb extract made through the distillation. During the distillation, the water will boil and change into steam, and the steam will go up through the herb bed. And when you're doing so-called steam distillation, and the heat and the water will carry the volatile compounds out of the herb, like lavender. That's how you make your lavender essential oil and hydrosol. So they are made at the same time, but they are displayed in two different phases. One is oil phase that normally flow on top of the water. That's called essential oil. And the water phase is hydrosol. So hydrosol is milder compared with essential oil. But because when we are making the hydrosol that's from the herb, it contains the phytochemicals, the volatile compounds, which has a lot of benefits, including its anti-inflammation, antioxidants, antibacterial, antiviral, antiseptic, and some of the hydrosol even have the anti-cancer, anti-tumor benefits. So these are coming from those phytochemicals resides in the hydrosol, that is a water phase. So today I'm gonna explain the four different hydrosols I like most for the house clearing. These are my four favorite house clearing hydrosol. The first one is lavender hydrosol. Lavender hydrosol not only has a very good cleansing property, it's also wonderful anti-inflammation. It has a wonderful smell to help calm and lift our spirit. The thyme hydrosol, though it has a great smell, if you like the Italian cuisine, they use a lot of the thyme. And thyme hydrosol is the best antibacterial. It has a very strong antiviral properties. And the witch hazel hydrosol smells so good. It's perfect for the rash treatment on the skin, and also help for a post sunburn skin cooling and a treatment. And this one, the last one, is the spearmint or peppermint hydrosol. Peppermint or spearmint, they have the menthol that give the fresh and cool effect. You can spray in air on the skin, especially in the hot seasons. This is wonderful. So these are the four house clearing, the hydrosol, my favorite. And some people like sage, sweetgrass. There's no universal rule. You have to choose something. It's basically based on your instinct. So you like the smell and you like the feeling, and that's the best one for you. But for the cleansing, these all four are very good. One of my favorite use is to clean the glasses. You can see, when you use the glasses, with time there will be dust and the fingerprint. And what I do is just using the lavender hydrosol, spray on each side, and then use a microfiber cloth, just clean it and wipe it. So be very clean. So not only for the glasses, for the screen, TV, anything like you want a shiny, you can spray this on and use a cloth and clean it. It works very well. So now go to the detail about how to make the hydrosols. The ADI is automatic herbal distiller and infuser. You can do the distillation to make your hydrosol or essential oil, and you can also make your infusions like infused oil, the tincture, vinegar, glycerine, all kinds of the infusion you can make with ADI. The benefits of ADI is it's full automatic. All you need to do is set up and then press a few buttons and then come back to collect all the products. Thank you for watching. If you feel it's helpful, like the video, subscribe channel, become a member. This is Dr. Liu. See you next time.